the one I love. You are the one. Hey.
Shensia look good still.
You hear what I'm saying about the video?
She look good.
Shensia look good still.
Yeah. Yeah, she look good. I mean, the thing. It's the marketing point. And it work. It work. I have to big up on them other one. I like what Shensia and Ramisha do. And new management.
And the management team. I'm like, she have new management.
And I see her up on the Pandora ad to big up on herself. That's with DJ Khaled. That's a big step. That was a nice step.
Is it Pandora or Pandora?
No. Pandora.
Is it Pandora? Because you know it is a.
No man, it's Pandora.
All right. Yeah. Okay.
It's not Pandora. It's Pandora. Is that what?
So,
anyway, them are the things.
It's true, and I like I said, do what you got to do to get where you are until you're no longer where you are. You're where you want to be. And big her up. She's making moves, and I'm all about a woman making money moves, power moves. So it's awesome to see.
Yeah. I feel like a carnival vibe, but I like to see some carnival outfit in the video because she looks good in that too. So
but I feel like she did that already. Because there's a video, I don't know if you saw it, but it's like this year, she released something and it was all carnival.
But you can't do
so she couldn't, no, she can't do it twice. They'd be like, I the same video she do again. You know, always stay. So she couldn't come. So she tried to balance.
Okay.
She tried. You know, always stay already. Stop pretend you don't know, always stay. We're like, no, we see that already. We need something new, fresh. Because it's because it's a Shensia.
Nice.
Come on, I like it. And Craig just spent some time explaining to me the relationship of what it means to be a managing Ramesh and how he manages her. And even though she has new agency, new agent, the management company, what that looks like. Because I was a little confused. Because he kept saying Ramesh. And I'm like, now I get it.
Yeah, man.
So her new agent manages
it's
Puff Daddy, Nicki Minaj, Doja Cat. All things. So big Shensia. Shensia.
Yeah, man, them other big things, man. Big up Russian too.
Big up Russian too.
Yeah. Well produced track as per usual. Yeah.
Big up on herself. Daytime Live. On that note.
Right.
Daytime Live. We'll be right back. And we're talking about giving. Actually, we're talking about giving back with Help the Youths Foundation. Help the Youths Foundation. Yes, that's what we're talking about.